Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you log out on Snapchat. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. After that, at the top of the page on the left, you have to click on the face. Now at the top of the page on the right, you have to click on the settings icon. And now you have to scroll down until the bottom of the page. And now you have to click on log out. And now you click on log out again and you will be logged out. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!